Organizational culture in garden culture. Garden culture is a work system implementation that must be carried out every day before and after starting to work. In the garden culture, there is an organizational culture which in Denison and Mistrats 1995 research which suggested that there are four dimensions of the reciprocal relationship between organizational culture and organizational work effectiveness. The four dimensions are involvement, consistency, adaptability, and mission.
The linkage of the cultural dimensions above is very influential on the performance of employees in the company. Of course, each member has a commitment to work. The indicators of improvement in these four dimensions include empowering individuals who have the authority, initiative, and ability to manage their own work, so as to create a sense of ownership and responsibility in the organization. Besides that, the orientation of the organizational team depends on the team's efforts to complete work towards a common goal, but each employee is responsible for each other and also the development of the organization's ability to invest funds in developing the skills of its employees to remain competitive in meeting business challenges. Commitment is an important element of corporate culture. Engagement means engaging and coordinating people to create a sense of belonging and responsibility. Indicators of participation include empowerment, the ability to manage one's work, initiative, and the ability of individuals. This creates ownership and responsibility for the sustainability of the organization. This is the direction in which values are applied as we work together towards our goal. Organizations rely not only on skill development but also on teamwork to achieve these goals. Organizations continue to invest in the design and development of employee skills to stay competitive and meet their business needs. Second, adaptability, the ability of company to know what is customer want and respond to external demands and change. Ability to implement market requirements with change-making skills and experience. Aspects include the ability to create change, that is, the ability to create adaptive ways to meet change requirements. Customer centricity, that allows organizations to understand and respond to customers and predict future customer needs from an environment that includes organizational learning in which an organization receives, translates, and interprets signals as a driving force for innovation to expand knowledge get and develop skills. The ultimate aspect of organizational culture is mission. The mission is to know where the organization and its member are heading, how to reach it, and how each individual can contribute to the success of the organization. One aspect of this is strategic coherence, a strategy that clearly defines meaning, purpose, and direction. A clear strategic goal of an organization helps members of the organization know how to contribute to the organization and give the organization meaningful steps, goals, and objectives. That is, specific short-term goals that help each employee understand how they relate to their daily activities, strategy, and the company are the ultimate vision, a vision that captures the hearts of people within the organization, including long term values. In terms of organizational culture, coherence is the level of an organization that develops existing ideas and actions based on the core values of the organization. And even if it starts from a different perspective as an organizational collaborative activity basis and governance, I can agree. Aspects of organizational culture are core values. In short, it's a set of values that create a strong sense of identity and help employees and managers make consistent decisions and act consistently. You can then rate the consistency, that is, the degree of matching between the difference such as coordination and integration. In other words, different concerns and original units can work together to achieve common goals. According to Robbins 2016, the functions of organizational culture include: culture makes a difference between organizations. Culture provides members of an organization with a sense of identity, and culture creates a commitment to something greater than individuals' interests, increasing the stability of the social system. Culture itself is a social glue that helps organize an organization by providing a standard for what employees should say. Culture can ensure that employees behave in a relatively consistent and predictable way.